Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, November 29, 2023. Today's video is about State Fair. State Fair is a 1933 American comedy drama film directed by Henry King and starring Janet Gaynor, Will Rogers, and Lew Ayres. It was based on the 1932 best-selling novel State Fair by Phil Stong. The picture tells the story of a farm family's multi-day visit to the Iowa State Fair, where the parents seek to win prizes in agricultural and cooking competitions, and their teenage daughter and son each find unexpected romance. The film was made in pre-code Hollywood and, despite its seemingly tame plot, had some scenes that were censored in a re-release a few years later, after the production code took effect. Cut scenes include a view of a disheveled bed and a negligee on the floor, and a sexual relationship between the daughter and a reporter, but the son's seduction by a trapeze artist was kept. The film was nominated for an Academy Award for Best Picture and was the first of 3 film versions of the novel released to theaters, the others being movie musicals released in 1945 and in 1962. This poster was produced for the 20th Century Fox Film Corporation for the 1933 theatrical release of State Fair. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.